overexposed, China. That's not okay. There we go. But hey everybody, hope everybody's well. I was overexposed in my previous shot. Okay people, welcome once again to the salad days. I think it's day 17 or day 18, could be day 19, who knows. So I've only just started editing the videos yesterday and I'm on video 5 edits, so I've actually just learned today to ramp up my speed, to do a slow motion and a couple of other things today. So what I was thinking in today's edits is I could probably add in, because I'm sure I haven't done it yet, like little cuts to the actual ingredients that are going into the salad. Ingredients, questions. So in today's salad is gonna be, what did I start off with? Is gonna be fennel, which is the main ingredients. This is the fennel. Then we're gonna put on, the fennel is gonna go onto the actual salad base. So we've got salad, we're gonna have some mint as the herb, we're gonna have a couple of ingredients that we've got left over, which is olives and the jalapeno chilies. We're also gonna have a bit of sauerkraut in there with some feta cheese and 2 tomatoes. One of those tomatoes is a tomato that has been growing in our garden for many months now, and I've been watching it grow and finally picked it, and it's definitely by far the biggest tomato that we have grown. Okay, so let's get started. The only other thing to really, well, the only thing today in terms of actual like work is to cut up this fennel, which I had no idea how to do, so I watched the video. It's funny that, watching videos on how to do stuff. So apparently these little bits as well are pretty good, so I'm going to keep those guys. You just take off the stalks, cutting away, and chop off the base, chop out in a little triangle the middle, and that kind of looks like all the little thick bit there, and the rest looks nice and soft and nice and edible. So let's chop up this guy. And we're back. Okay, so that was 2 things of fennel. I mean, if you've got a large fennel, then maybe just do the 1, but that seemed to be enough for, will be enough for the 2 of us. The only thing to chop up this rest of that jalapeno, so I'm just going to take off the back end. If you haven't watched the one where I started with the other jalapenos, if you don't like too much heat, just take out the seeds. You shouldn't really cut towards your fingers like this, but anyway. And I'm just going to put these in strips. Okay, so after you've cut your chili, then let's pop these tomatoes. So, ooh, that is very pretty. I don't know if you can see that. That is nice. Straight from the garden. And this guy's going to go up into little chunks. What we found is that with getting stuff from the garden, it just tastes a little bit different. Like food at your local supermarket is not grown for the taste as much as it's grown, unfortunately, for the look, and is grown for the size and quantity, which is really quite sad. And like the difference between these 2 tomatoes is this one probably looks nicer on a shelf, but that one definitely tastes a lot better. Okay, so let's do salad base. Salad base, fresh tomato, the fennel, a bit of the mint. Now looking at the salad, I'm not sure if the sauerkraut is such a great idea. I am going to go for the nuts on top, and I am going to go for some of the black currants. But I kind of feel that that would actually be okay, and I think I'm going to keep that guy on the side. Because there is a bit of an Italian feel, we're going to go balsamic today as the dressing, and trusty old olive oil. press that quite nicely. And we are out of olive oil. Cool. That should be fine. As always, I hope you've enjoyed the video. Like, subscribe, watch again tomorrow. Put some comments down below. Let me know if you want to see any particular salads or particular videos, or you know, whatever. Let me know how you're doing. We'll see you tomorrow. Cheers.